Proposal software versus contract automation tools. Which one is better for sales teams? Most sales teams assume that any software that touches contracts will boost revenue, but the surprising truth is that proposal software and contract automation tools target different parts of a sales cycle, and choosing the right one can significantly impact efficiency and win rates. Proposal software, like Pandoc, Proposophy, or Quiller, helps sales teams create, customize, and deliver compelling proposals quickly. It allows teams to track when a client opens a proposal, which sections they engage with, and even collect e-signatures. For instance, a SaaS company can use proposal software to quickly tailor solutions for a prospect, see exactly what the client focuses on, and follow up strategically to close deals faster. Proposal software accelerates the front end of the sales process. Contract automation tools, such as Docution.com, ContractWorks, or Ironclad, focus on the life cycle of legal agreements. They streamline approvals, ensure compliance, and automate renewals or amendments. For example, a sales team can use contract automation to generate standardized contracts, route them for legal approval, and trigger alerts for expiring agreements. This reduces bottlenecks and minimizes risk, but primarily affects the post-proposal phase. The key difference is front-end efficiency versus end-to-end compliance. Proposal software is designed to win deals faster by engaging prospects with personalized, trackable documents. Contract automation ensures contracts are accurate, compliant, and efficiently managed after the deal is signed. Many successful sales teams integrate both proposal software to close deals faster and contract automation to streamline execution and renewals. The takeaway is simple: if your focus is improving win rates and accelerating deal creation, proposal software is the better choice. If your goal is reducing legal risk and managing contract workflows efficiently, contract automation tools are essential. The surprising truth is that using both together creates a seamless, high-performing sales process from pitch to signature, driving revenue and efficiency simultaneously.